Sometimes when I go camping, I like to make some really simple donuts out of canned biscuits. But this last trip, one of those random supply chain issues had me scrambling. Luckily, I came across a recipe for these make-ahead biscuits that are yeasted. The flavor of this dough is pretty plain, which is actually perfect because I wanted to use it to make dumplings too. But if you're only making donuts, you might consider adding a little more sugar. Let's go. Let's do the whole thing. Let's do a little test one. Oh my gosh, it sounds hot. But if not though, I don't think it's hot enough. Yeah, that's gonna be a little lard ball. Let's see though. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's greasy. Oil wasn't hot enough. Tastes good though. Try that one. All right. Do another little guy. Get off the bottom. Get off the side. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Oh yeah, it's starting to float. Puff up. Just gotta get it a little golden brown. I think this one might be done. Pop it right in there. Looks pretty good. Not quite done. Is it gonna stop me from eating it? No. Oh, hey, bub. You are just in time. Hey, friend. Look what I got for you. It's so gentle. It's a hush puppy. Is that good? You're good. You're licking your chops. Well, at least you approve. Now that's done to perfection. There we go. Agreed? You're not getting this one. That's what we're looking for. Enjoy. That's it. I don't have any more. I had also made this delicious cajeta to dip my donut holes in, but I kept putting it in my coffee and completely forgot about it for the donuts. But honestly, they needed no further enhancement.
Can I help you?